wake up today in the morning at 6 a.m. It was full of thunderstorm. Everything was so bad. Look at this weather. But they say in Greece it's 20 degrees Celsius, so we are going there to the sun to spend in the Rhodes the whole day. Feeling properly sick. The waves are so high and so huge. I'm about to eat the fish. Rhodes. We came from Marmaris today, just 1 hour trip from these beautiful, what's these boats? It was quite wavy.
It wasn't that yacht, it was like a ferry, small one.
The ferry's over there. It was a horrible ride. I was breathing, looking inside. It was super wavy, but we made it. Our kids did the best. It's just 1 hour from Marmaris and you're here. Let's explore. And we have to probably visit all of these places. Palace of the Grand Master, this is where I wanted to go. Palace of the Grand Master.
Okay.
In the blog article, it says it's the most important thing to do in the province, Church of Holy. Don't forget to read our article about Rhodes, Greece, a one-day trip with kids, and the link is in the description below. crazy, guys! We are in Greece! So guys, we just came here to the Ellie Beach. It's about 3 to 4 minutes away from the old town. To be honest, it's not enough time to be in the Rhodes for one day. It's just a taste a little bit of Greece, and I'm in love. And the next destination, not only on bucket list, the next destination will be Greece for sure.